Hey guys, welcome back to GI Automotive, and today we're going to be changing the ball joints on the F430, which is a common problem. You'll hear the suspension knocking and you're going to know that it's your ball joints. These ball joints are made by Hill Engineering and they come in the lower and upper. These are the lower, the bigger ones, and these are the upper. So off the bat, when you hold it, it feels like they're still good, but when you feel the new ones, you can't even move it around just like this. So what's going to happen is the car's suspension is going to feel so much tighter after I change all four. Ryan has already done one corner and showed me how to do it. We're going to be doing the next corner and showing you guys what needs to be done. So first off, in the kit that you're going to buy, you're going to get the brand new ball joints. You're going to get the shields or the retaining clips also with the boot. You're going to get the adhesion where you're going to need to apply this into the housing so that when the ball joint sits, it's nice and snug and it stays put. After that, we ordered also some ball joint pullers to make our life easier, and that's it. Here are the other lowers. So this side is done already. Ryan hit the upper one this morning. I just did the lower one right now. We're letting the adhesion dry and then we're moving to the other side. So over here, as you can see, we have dropped the bolt, which is this guy right here. So that bolt has been removed. Put the arm up. We're gonna take a C-ring pliers clip and remove the boots, upper and lower boot. Take the press it out, clean the housing, slap the new one back in with the adhesion, put the new boots back in, and voila, we're done. After that, we're gonna do the top one. So that's the adhesion we need to remove, and look how loose this guy is. Even though he looks like he's in perfectly good condition, it shouldn't be this loose. I will torque that later. Gonna move to the upper ball joint now. Quick intermission number. Hello. Good, how are you? So the DDE cars are being shipped back to Canada. As you can see, Mr. Clickbait is here, the F12. And now we're going to be loading the McLaren. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but LA is on semi-lockdown already. But as of now, the DDE cars are shipping back to Canada because even the borders from Canada to America have been closed. Don't know when this thing is gonna end. Hope it does end soon and we can get back to some new form of normalcy. Alright, here goes the top ball joint. Alright guys, so we just finished the 430. We were so lazy that we didn't end up removing the arms. I finally read the instruction manual and they were saying we should remove the arms because apparently we needed to bake the arm with the adhesion so that there's a curing time. They need to go into the oven at 195 Fahrenheit for about an hour or 45 minutes. Now that we haven't done that and the car is fully built, we're gonna be leaving the car on the rack for a few days so that it can cure. Problem is, right now in Los Angeles, the weather is so cold. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to meet the curing time or curing temperature. But for now, yeah, gonna leave the car first and let it cure at least for a few days before we take it out. So we're here on a Friday and everything is closed except for us.
Yes, we are an essential service.
All the shops are closed today, groceries are open, pharmacies are open. I just came from my doctor, so they're open for sure. The other day we were fixing a NSX for a doctor where he was having some issues with power steering and clutch. Finally got that sorted, the car is out. So we don't know what's going to be happening and how all this is going to turn out over the next few months, but I have a feeling I'm going to be stuck here in Los Angeles longer than expected. Look who's visiting us. It's Miss Lisa. How are you? I saw your beautiful car.
Oh, I'm sure one of many.
Gorgeous. Black on black. Pretty lucky day today. Lisa from my team, Scuderia, visited us in the car shop and she brought her Pista. Beautiful spec car, yellow with the blue calipers, carbon ceramic brakes, and the... here it is. I'll stop talking. Just look at it.
Well, you're here for a while.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll see you
let's
soon.
Figure out a way to...
Well, we're open. We can get takeout, eat upstairs.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm right chill out together in our distance.
Have fun in your drive.
In our distance. All right, you two look beautiful.
Enjoy.
All right, we'll talk soon.
Okay, take
I'm
care.
glad you texted me.
I knew
Good
it.
job.
I knew it. I was like, that's Lisa. It's gotta be Lisa.
You scope out all the cars, so I know you know everybody in this town.
It's hard to miss the yellow.
Yeah.
Wonderful spec. Bye. Wow. So cool.